I wanted to do a quick review on this turmeric curcumin bottle of pills, and it comes with 90 veggie capsules. And what turmeric is known for is to help with inflammation and bloating, but this bottle, these pills are going to help with so much more than that. And you can see here, these are some of the things that it helps with. Of course, inflammation, and then just all these right here. And what I love about these pills is that it's vegan friendly. It has organic turmeric. It's gluten free, and it has no sugar, no artificial ingredients, no soy, no gluten, no nuts, no milk or dairy, no seafood, no eggs. So it's basically just organic. And I'm gonna show you these pills here really quick. You can see it's powder. And you can take 3 of these a day with food.